Starting crocheting the 6th round. Before crocheting the 6th round, do you still remember what to do? It's the chain stitch. Completed the chain stitch for the 6th round. Take a look at the pattern for the 6th round. The pattern for the 6th round. 5 single stitches, 1 increase stitch, repeated 4 times. This round, after crocheting, will have a total of 28 stitches. Now crochet the 6th round. The chain stitch is done. Let's crochet the 1st stitch. Do you still remember where to insert the 1st stitch? Insert the hook into the marked stitch. Remove the marker, insert the hook, crochet the 1st stitch. The first one is a single stitch. After crocheting the 1st stitch, replace the marker. If you are a pro, no need the marker. If you are a beginner, don't forget it. The marker will help us find the 1st stitch. Why can you accurately find the 1st stitch even without a marker? Because there are slip stitch and chain stitches for each round. Chain stitch and the slip stitch can help us accurately find the 1st and last stitches. No need the marker in the future. At the beginning, it's hard to find the 1st stitch. Markers are needed to mark. Then help find the 1st stitch. The first group of the 6th round is 5 single stitches and 1 increase stitch. Completed the 1st single stitch. Continuing with the 2nd single stitch. The 3rd single stitch. The 4th single stitch. The 5th single stitch. The 6th one is the increase stitch. The increase stitch is 2 single stitches in the same stitch. Continue to crochet the 1st single stitch of the 2nd group. The 2nd single stitch. The 3rd single stitch. The 4th single stitch. The 5th single stitch. In the 6th stitch, crochet an increase stitch, which is 2 single crochets. The 1st single crochet of the 3rd group. The 2nd single crochet. The 3rd single crochet. The 4th single crochet. The 5th single crochet. The 6th stitch is an increase stitch. Now 3 groups have been completed. Next, Crochet the fourth group. The first single crochet of the fourth group. The second single crochet. The third single crochet. The fourth single crochet. The fifth single crochet. The sixth stitch is an increase stitch. Now the sixth round has been crocheted. After crocheting, there will be 28 stitches. Let's count and see if it's correct. Hold the piece vertically in front of you. Start counting from the stitch marker. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28. 28 stitches. So the sixth round is crocheted correctly. Congratulations, you got the sixth round right. Okay, what to do after finishing the sixth round? Slip stitch with the first stitch again. Make this loop perfect and round. The position of the slip stitch is also the stitch marked by the marker. That's the first stitch. So the first stitch is very important. The first stitch is used a lot. You must find the position of the first stitch accurately. Then insert the hook into the first stitch. Pull the yarn out of the loop. Then pull it out of the loop again. Okay, so the sixth round is completed. After finishing the sixth round, this piece becomes round again. Okay, next is the seventh round. Take a look at the pattern of the seventh round. From the seventh round to the ninth round, crochet single stitches only. Crochet 28 single stitches each round. Crochet 28 single stitches in the eighth round. The 28 single stitches again in the round 9. After crocheting these 3 rounds, there are 28 stitches each round. Okay, next I will crochet the 7th round. So before crocheting the 7th round, what do we need to do first? That is, first crochet a chain stitch. After crocheting the chain stitch, remove this marker. Then crochet the first stitch of this round at this position. This round is relatively simple. All stitches are single crochet. Everyone follow me and keep crocheting backwards. All single crochet stitches. Now the first single crochet stitch of this round is done. Let's put a marker again. At this stitch, this is the first stitch. Continue crocheting backwards. Second stitch. Third stitch. Now 28 single crochet stitches are completed. Do a slip stitch with the first stitch. Pull the loop directly out. Alright, now the 7th round is finished. Next, crochet the 8th round. First, crochet a chain stitch. The 8th round is also all single crochet stitches. Remove the marker and start crocheting the first single crochet stitch. Here is the first single crochet. Put another marker here as well. Alright, this round of 28 stitches is done. Don't forget to do a slip stitch here. Okay, now the 8th round is finished. Alright, continue crocheting the chain stitch for the 9th round. Remove the marker. Crochet the first single crochet stitch of the 9th round. Also, mark the stitch with the marker here again. Making mistakes while crocheting is very normal for beginners. If you find that you've made a mistake, you can undo that stitch. Undo until you reach the correct stitch, then crochet again. Making mistakes is part of the learning process. Just undo the mistake and recrochet it. If you forget which stitch you're on, count the stitches backward from the marker. Until you reach the correct one. Then crochet again. Now 28 single crochet stitches are done. Again, do a slip stitch with this first stitch. Pay attention when putting the marker. The marker should go through the entire first stitch. Can you still find the first stitch? Right here. Insert the hook through the entire V shape. Pull the yarn through the loop. Then pull it through the loop. The slip stitch is done. Now you can crochet the 10th round. First, crochet the chain stitch for the 10th round.